Hello everybody, welcome back to another EliteCarbonLA video. Today we have this G82 M4 coming in for a full body kit here. This is a gloss black full body kit as well as a carbon fiber steering wheel right there. We're going to be installing all of this for the customer today. Obviously it is really going to change the car. A lot in the front mostly. As you can see, this is what it looks like now. But to break down exactly what we got here today, it is going to be a CSL style grille, air ducts, a wing, a lip, and a carbon fiber steering wheel. All of this you can find on our website, EliteCarbonLA.com. You can check out the description, I'll have it linked. And then I'll go ahead and also link our G80 chassis parts that we have available, so you can go ahead and buy all these parts that you see right here yourself on our website. We're located in LA, we do installs in shop, and we keep a bunch of stuff in stock. So anything that you guys need, go ahead and purchase it and we'll get it shipped out from LA to wherever you're at. So in this video, I'm not really going to show you all the little details of how to install these parts, just because I'm not trying to make that long of a video today. But I just want to go ahead and just show you some of the highlights, some of the details of installing all of these. Whenever I get to each part, I'll just go ahead and show you like the major part, like when I take the bumper off or the steering wheel off, I'll go ahead and I'll show those parts. But first, we're probably going to start off by doing the grille and the air ducts. So the front bumper is going to come off. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we successfully went ahead and took the bumper off. As you can see, we went ahead and put it right here. So let me show you. We're going to go ahead and take the OEM grille off, which is that one. And then these air ducts that are in there, we're going to be taking off those as well to obviously put these three pieces right here in there. Bumper back on the car, and then we'll be done with that. So, you know, it's easy to say, but it is going to take a minute. So I'm going to get straight to it, and let me get back to you guys once we get some progress. Alright, so we're going to jump ahead a little bit. The grille is done, the air ducts are done, and the lip is done. As you can see, the front end looks really nice. We went ahead and put the spoiler on there as well, as you can see right there. Right now, I went ahead and disconnected the battery, the rear battery, because we're going to be popping out the airbag in here. So I don't want it to explode on me, because we are going to be doing the steering wheel now, the carbon fiber steering wheel that we have right here. We're going to be installing this. And then this is going to be about it for this install today. You know, we're going to take another hour and a half to do the steering wheel. And we'll wrap it up. And then we'll have the customer come pick up the car. Alright guys, so this is the car all finished. I went ahead and swapped out his lip with a different lip that we had that he liked a little bit more the look of. And then as you can see, this carbon fiber steering wheel we went ahead and installed right there. And the wing, of course, has been installed. But he is on the way now, and he's going to come in and take a look at the car, see how he likes it, and he'll let me know. But it did come together pretty good. Obviously, it looks a lot better than before. So we are here located in LA. We have a bunch of other parts. If you're interested in anything you saw today and want to get parts of your own, go to EliteCarbonLA.com, go to the link in the description, purchase whatever you'd like on our website, shipped from LA. And then we'll get you sorted out. If you want to come in for installs, we can definitely take care of that as well.